I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on work and time. The question here is, if 4 men and 3 women can do a piece of work in 31 days, how long will 5 men and 4 women will take to complete this work? You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now let's form the equations with the statements given to us. We are saying 4 men or 3 women can do a piece of work in 31 days. So there is some work which can be completed by 4 men in 31 days. So we can say 4 men times 31 days. So that is total work, right? So this is the total work. So let's call it TW, right? Now this total work is also done by 3 women in 31 days. So this is also equal to 3 women force work times 31, right? Now here M and W is units per day for men, and that is units per day for women, right? So that is how we are going to use these units. Well, from here we know that total work is done by both of them. We can find their efficiency or rate of doing work, right? So from this equation we can equate 4 men times 31 is actually equal to 3 women times 31. The ratio of men to women will be what? Well, 31 cancels, right? So when I bring women here, I can take 4 to this side, so I get 3/4. So when we compare the efficiencies, we can actually say that for men, they are doing 3 units of work per day, right? So this means for men, it is 3 units per day. And for women, the contribution is 4 units per day. Right? Now, once we know this in units per day, we can also define total work in units, right? So because days are 31 days, right? So we can say total work, we can take 4 men. So for men it is 3 times and times 31. So many units we get of work. Good. Now, as far as the units are concerned, this unit was units per day, and this is days, right? So the days and days cancel. You get the work in some units. Perfect. So that is the kind of strategy. Now that is the total work, and what we need to figure out is how long will 5 men and 4 women will take to complete this work, right? So time taken will be how much? So total work divided by the work rate, right? So by 5 men plus 4 women. 4 women, right? So that is how we can find the time. So we know total work is 4 times 3 times 31. And in units which we are defining, for men, it is 3 units per day, so 5 times 3, plus for women, it is 4 units per day. So what we get here is 4 times 3 times 31 divided by 15 plus 16, which is 31, right? So we get 4 times 3, which is 12, and 31 divided by 31. So 31's cancel. And what you get here is 12, right? So that is in days, right? So this is time in days. So the answer here is 12 days. Is that clear to you? So the idea is, from the given information, we could work out the rate at which men are working, the rate at which women are working. We are calling it units per day. And we also found total work in some units. And once we do that, so total work divided by the workforce which we have gives us the time. So I hope you understand this strategy. So if you understand the method, you could actually calculate this very fast without calculator and answer such questions within a minute. I hope that helps. Feel free to write your comment, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.